Hi guys, welcome back to another unboxing obsession video. If you are new to my channel and you do enjoy watching unboxings of all sorts of monthly subscription boxes out there, product reviews, makeup, and some travel and adventure videos at times, make sure that you subscribe to my channel. It is totally free. With that said, guys, if you are already subscribed to my channel, then woohoo, welcome back, my beautifuls. So excited to have you guys here for this amazing unboxing of BoxyCharm. So this is July's base box. BoxyCharm is a monthly subscription beauty box that delivers 5 full-size products every month for $25 monthly. And I will leave you guys all the descriptions, all details, links, and everything you need to know in order to go ahead and be a BoxyCharmer on the description box down below. With that said, guys, let's go ahead and get started to this awesome box. Again, BoxyCharm July 2021, and this is my box here. So BoxyCharm. So the theme for this month is going to be fantasy. Everything, this is my information card. Everything that's in this information card is inside my box. So first off, let's go ahead and I will go ahead and pull my first item out, which is going to be the Mud Masky here. So this is a vitamin infused eye serum. So it's a moisture boost, vitamin boost. It's nourishing and it is firming as well, guys. Check this out. Let's go ahead and take a look at it. Oop, it is nicely sealed, which I love that. So here we go. Let's take a look at this. I don't want to do too much because I don't want too much to come out. So this is what the cream looks like, guys. So this is for your eyes. And it is nice and soft. Not sticky. Not sticky at all, guys. And it has a really nice scent to it. Next up, I received the Bella Pure liquid eyeliner, and it is in black. Ooh, ooh, ooh. So this is what it looks like. Okay, so this is what the tip looks like. Okay, it's not that soft tip, it's actually the hard one. So this is what it looks like. Super nice, super pigmented as well, which I love that. Next up, we have the Penpal. So this is a 4-in-1 makeup pen. Okay, at the end I will give you guys a quick recap of prices. So this is what the Penpal looks like. Okay, so let's start with this one. So this is supposed to be like for your eyes, supposed to be like eyeshadow. So there goes one. Okay, that was this color here, like the darker brown. We have the lighter one, which is going to be, ooh, that one right there. Nice. Okay, we have the black one, which is probably going to be used for your eyeliner. That's the black one. And we have the really light one, which this is probably going to be like a highlighter. So this is going to be your highlighter. You can put it, you could use it as an eyeshadow as well. And look how pretty they are. Whoa, I really love the colors. So pretty, right? So this is the Penpal. That's what it's called. Next up, we have a hydrating complexion trio. Ooh, ooh, ooh. And it's from Aloe Mar. And these are the colors here. So the first color is going to be Woke, Soltera, and Always Summer. Oh, I love all 3 colors. So it comes with a mirror, and these are the colors here. They are so pretty. The colors are so pretty. Let's see what this looks like. Oh, look how nice. I love that color. So pigmented too, and they feel so nice and silky. And there I go, I moved my camera again, guys. And this is the darker one. Ooh, look how pretty they are. Love the colors. Okay, last but not least is going to be a detox hair serum. And I was actually talking about this the other day with my husband, that I need to do a detox on my scalp. So this is like absolutely amazing. It's like they hurt me. They hurt. And I can't get this to focus. I don't know what's going on. Come on, focus. Okay, doesn't want to focus. But it's so tiny. It just says detox hair serum there, and it has nutrient plants, and it's a scalp treatment. Let's take a look at it. Let's see how. Okay, so it's oil, of course, and this is. Ooh, look at that, guys. So these are all the amazing products that we received in this box. I love BoxyCharm. Make sure you are following me on my Instagram at my subscription obsession for awesome pictures, for different product reviews, content for makeup, for travel and adventure pictures, for giveaways. And with that said, thank you for watching, and I will see you guys back soon with a different unboxing video, guys. Bye.